everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a quick little tutorial on syncing externally recorded audio with your camera video. So here on the left side on our media pool in DaVinci Resolve, we have our video clip here, so we're just going to drag that down in there. Then we also have our recorded audio from the external recorder from the Zoom F2. So we're just going to drag that down and put it directly underneath the previous recorded audio from the camera video file. So we're going to close the media pool here, that way you get more room. So the number one thing I suggest for people to do this is you do the hand clap thing. You can get a clapper if you want, but clapping with your hands works perfectly fine. Now what you want to do is, as you can see, we have three little lines here, three little lines up here. So we will just move the audio track from the recorder over, kind of generically line it up, not too accurate there, but we'll zoom in all the way on our timeline. We'll click the Zoom recorder audio again and we'll just line it right up best we can. Zoom in more. We'll put the head of the reader right here and we'll get a little bit better. It's pretty good. So once you're done with this and you got your recorded audio lined up, now that since the original audio for the camera file is connected, we'll just unsync it with the chain. That way when you click it again, since I don't need this audio track from the original video anymore since it's synced, we'll just delete it. Drag a box around both of the video file from the camera and the audio file from the recorder. We'll hit clip up here, new compound clip. We'll just create it. And now when you play it, your external recorder is perfectly lined up. Zoom out.
The stock dead cat.
And we'll just pop up the volume a little.
V-Mic Pro, and it's hooked onto my slight breeze coming in from up here. No camera involved, so we're gonna get the best recording we can out of it. Right now I'm about 6 to 8.
And as you can tell, perfectly synced up, you're ready to go. And now it's a compound clip, so turn the link back on so they're linked together. So if you say you want to splice your video here, you click there, it'll splice the audio and video together at the same spot. So you can do that as many times as you want. And it keeps it perfectly synced with your audio and video. So if this was useful for you, please give me a like, subscribe, comment down below what you thought, and happy shooting.